hockey night. Don't put
Nakalimutan ko yung isang battery.
wallet mo.
Andito yung wallet. Importante yun, yung ako nalambad siya.
Kahit 100%. Enjoy, guys!
Alright guys, manonood kaming dalawa ni Os ng hockey. Alright, pero si Mommy, yun, may iwan siya. Kasi night shift siya. So kaming dalawa lang ni Os.
Take care!
Bye. Excited yun, no? Hindi ka. Nahanap niya yung susi. It's our first time na makapunta sa hockey game. Bibili muna kami ng pagkain namin sa Burger King. Para kakain kami doon habang nanonood. No? Alright? Ang ganda ng araw ngayon, no? Oh? See?
Fine, but I can't.
Sabi sa forecast ngayon, uulan pero hindi naman umulan.
Can we go now? Can we go now?
Yes, we're going. Excited na excited.
I don't see us going.
We're going. Alright.
I don't see us moving.
Eto na nga eh.
Huh? See?
Eto na, paalis na tayo.
I don't see us moving.
Yun lang yung Burger King. Yun, doon. Whopper Junior sa'yo. That's everything.
Okay, that comes to 2171. Please go through.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. No, we're gonna watch an actual game. So we will see that. Super excited siya na maka-experience, and ako rin syempre. First time ko rin na manonood ng hockey game. Juniors yung mga maglalaro eh. Although hindi siya professional na laro ng hockey. Eh, basta first time namin and excited kami ni Oz. Di ba, Oz?
We're probably gonna see Happy Gilmore.
Happy Gilmore? There's a lot of people, no? Dito na sila nakapark, oh. Alright, let's go here. Buti na may umalis! We are so blessed. Para sa atin tong spot na to. Nandito na kami, nakapag-park na kami.
Now
Alright!
we're Hades or something.
Yeah,
The
doon
orange?
kami manonood. Punong-puno na yung parking lot nila dito. Kaya, we are lucky.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Be ready for some violence.
I hope not.
There's actually violence in hockey.
You rock my world. You make it so hard to leave. Yeah. Freak it out. Show me the world.
Pero may mga ano rin sila. Merch. Just follow me. Okay? Guys, yan o. Nakaka-excite naman. Dito kami sa taas para kitang-kita namin. Yan o, mas maganda dito. Ay, dito. Alright.
That's good because
I was sitting down there, but I felt like I was in jail going through the bars.
Maybe we can sit there. Yeah, I'll jump. Oh, she's good. Yeah. Much better. Yun o, naka-D4 pa nga. Why?
where we go skating.
Here? Oh, nag-skate na pala sila Os dito eh. Yun o. Diba? I think we get the best spot. We're the middle. May lagayan pala ng drinks. Yung paa mo, hindi pwede dyan yung paa mo. Okay? Hindi, huwag mo ilalagay doon yung paa mo, ha? Magagalit yung nasa paa. Nililinis nila yung ice para smooth. Yung mga referee. Lapit lang. May mga players. Asa? Pumapalakpak din siya. Whoa! Isn't it great, baby? There's excite, guys.
How is he doing that?
Diba? It takes a lot of practice. You can also do that if you practice. May mga kalaban nila. Come on, stand up. National anthem. Ito, parang bakbakan talaga eh, no? Uumpisa na, guys.
Did they score?
No, not yet. You know how to play soccer, right? Imagine it's a soccer and that's the ball. They should put that in the goal. There. Papalit sila ng mga players. Dami rin pala nila mga players. Eh. Ang galing nila mag-skate ay. Ang bibilis nila. Wala pang nakaka-score. Mahirap din pala makaka-score dito. Ay no, pag magpapalit sila ng player, lalabas na lang pala sila. Tapos papasok na lang yung yung kapalit.
Every player that he gets.
Almost. Go guys! Tumayo na sila. They had the goal.
Who, the move?
No, the guess.
So is it tie?
Yeah, tie already. 1-1 na yung score. County Moose versus Maniacs. Yan. Alright, ito yung mga players nila.
What?
Nothing.
Over there.
Ano pala, change court na pala. Dito na yung Moose, tapos doon naman na yung Maniacs. Although na guys, dikit yung laban. Suntukan sila eh.
Now I know that the maniacs are the violent ones because
Why?
look at the picture.
Oh, bakit?
They're smiling, very evil. And then they're holding those sticks.
Oh yeah. Oh, kaya daw violent sila. galing eh. Pag nakaka-goal yung Moose eh.
What?
Pag nakaka-goal yung Moose, lahat iyawan eh. Dikit yung laban. All three. All three. May mga bata. Oo, ang gagaling nila. Mga bata. They get skate class in their school. So,
You want to play hockey?
Kind of.
Well, try it out. It sounds
inaikot ko si Os. Ayun siya. Yun, naglalakad. Malapit na siya, guys. Malapit na niya maikot. Yan, nahintayin natin siya dito. Yan na siya! Alright, may nakita daw siyang kaklase niya. Nasaan siya banda? Nasaan siya banda?
Go, Moose!
Go Moose! Overtime pala, 3 versus 3 na lang. Nice! Woo! 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 Nice! 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 Woo! Talo! Talo! Talo ang Moose, panalo yung Alright. Good game. Alright guys, suwian na. You had fun?
That was fun.
That was fun. Lamig! Lamig na. Yan o, nakalabas na kami ni Os. It was so much fun though. Kahit natalo yung Moose. At least, di ba? Masaya naman yung game. Sobrang dikit eh.
Because the
Cheers sila
maniacs-
lahat eh. No?
Because the maniacs were so violent.
Ganun talaga ang hockey. May sakitan talaga. They're all friends at the end of the game. Diba? Siyempre,
How?
friends naman talaga sila lahat. Hindi na namin nakain yung burger namin ni Os. Alright, yung first time namin na makapanood ng hockey game. So much fun. Right? Pag nakaka-goal yung Moose, grabe, sigawan sila lahat eh. Ang katapat niya na sport sa atin is basketball.
Bye. 6-7.
Bye!